Maya and Alex were best friends. They loved gazing at stars. They dreamt of soaring through space. One night something incredible happened. A strange humming filled the air. A giant swirling black hole appeared in the sky. Out of the black hole, a spaceship emerged. It landed in Maya's backyard. A friendly alien, Nova, stepped out. "Greetings," Nova said. "My home needs your help. Will you come with me?" Maya and Alex, thrilled, jumped into the spaceship. Their cosmic adventure was about to begin. Nova's spaceship was amazing. It had buttons that sparkled and screens that showed galaxies far, far away. Nova explained that the black hole wasn't scary, it was a portal, a shortcut through space and time. "Hold on tight," Nova shouted as they approached the black hole. The spaceship shook and rattled. The black hole swirled and pulled them closer. Maya and Alex closed their eyes, a little bit scared but mostly excited. Then, everything went quiet. When they opened their eyes, they were in a place unlike any other. "This is the Luminiverse," Nova announced. It was a dazzling place filled with planets made of light and stars that sang. Everything shimmered and glowed. They landed on a planet that looked like a giant diamond. Cute little creatures with wings made of starlight fluttered around them. "They are Lumi," Nova explained. "They are worried. Their universe is losing its light." Section 4. The Luminiverse and the Light Famine. Nova explained that the Luminiverse was powered by a giant star, the Lumistar. But the Lumistar was fading. The Lumi were losing their light and energy. Maya and Alex knew they had to help. They asked Nova if there was a way to reignite the Lumistar. Nova smiled. "There might be. The Lumistar is powered by happiness and laughter. It needs to hear the joyous songs of the Lumi." But the Lumi were too worried to sing. How could they help the Lumi find their joy again? Section 5. A Universe of Gratitude. Maya and Alex had an idea. They took out their book of Earth's fairy tales. They shared stories of brave heroes and magical creatures. The Lumi listened with wide eyes, their worries fading. Soon, they were laughing and singing along with Maya and Alex. The Lumistar, hearing their joy, began to shine brighter and brighter. The Luminiverse was bathed in its warm glow once more. The Lumi were overjoyed. They thanked Maya, Alex, and Nova for saving their universe. Nova took Maya and Alex back home. They would never forget their adventure or their new friends in the Luminiverse. They learned that even small actions can make a big difference, and that friendship, kindness, and a little bit of laughter can light up even the darkest corners of the universe.